All right, y'all, remember how we talked about you need to go store a bunch of all this, dried beans and rice and all the things, right? So let me show you how to turn this into this. Why? Let's talk about it. All right, so y'all are like, okay, Chris, why are you taking something that is indefinitely shelf stable and turning it into something that lasts a couple years, 3 years? Because this does not require any additional water or cook time. You can literally open this up and spoon it right out of the jar. This, on the other hand, takes time. So let's go through turning these guys into this product to make sure that the convenience is there if we so need it. Methods we're gonna go over. We're gonna soak them overnight. We're gonna do a quick soak, and I'm gonna show you how to can them. All right, now this method is the easiest because we're literally going to take a half a cup of pinto beans, toss them in here, cover them with water, like a lot of water, and they're gonna go live on the counter over here till tomorrow. Then we can cook those beans up and use them. Next, we're gonna do a quick soak. We're gonna do a cup of these beans in a pot, cover them with 2 inches of water. Bring them to a boil. Let them boil for 2 minutes, and then let them cool down. See you in a couple minutes. Now for the canning portion of this, I'm gonna switch to black beans because I need black beans on the shelf. I have plenty of pinto beans on the shelf, so we're gonna can black beans and put them up for food storage. Now, when I do beans, I like to do the non-soak method. So, what does that mean? You literally take a half a cup of beans, put them in a pint jar. Okay. There they are. Half a cup in each one. Water. All right. So, beans, water. Lids. Rings. All right. Oh, look. Look, guys. We're boiling. We'll go another minute and then we'll turn those off. What am I doing? Okay, I got 3 more. My electric canner. I'm gonna use my electric canner today too. Forgot to mention that. See, that's what they look like. Beans, water. Put the lid on. Lock her up. We're going 75 minutes. And that's it. When this process is done, we'll have beans ready to eat. I still have my soaked beans back there. I'm gonna let these guys go for another minute, turn them off, and then those will be ready when they cool down. Bring you back whenever it's time to pull ready to eat black beans out of the canner. Y'all, I keep losing my glasses. I don't even know where they're at. I wonder if I took them. Nope. Okay. Anyway, all right. So canner's done. Obviously, I can't open it yet because we have to let the vent release. These are the quick soak. They are not cooked. They're not cooked. They're just soaked. So these are ready to be used in recipes and cooked now. These have not changed. See? Still hard. I definitely cannot bite through that. I'm not even gonna try. They're going back over here. And then as soon as I can get this open, we'll open this guy. All right, y'all, we're done. Let's get these out of here. Oops, I think one of them, it looks like one of them might have leaked a little bit. That's okay. Let's put this here. I left my our puller downstairs, so we're just gonna use this glove real quick. See if we can get these out without getting wet. All right, they look good, y'all, look. Oh, it wasn't, ooh! It's not too bad. All right. Oh yeah, look, see them in there? They're all cooked. They're full to the top. Check it out. See them in there? All right. We've got beans for the shelf now, and they are just ready to go. We can immediately start using them in recipes, so that's what's great about canning them directly. So, all right, check out some of our other canning videos right here. We'd love to have you comment below and see if you can't find anything that we've canned here that you want to see. Comment, let us know, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with someone that you think would benefit, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all. Okay, next day, you guys, here's what these beans look like. They're still hard as a rock. They've expanded as much as they're gonna expand. And these are now ready to be cooked.